So it's New Year's Eve and we have a little bit of snow out here. Supposed to get more later. Maybe Sunday. Yep. And Klaus's truck has a new snorkel on it and some side mirrors. So it looks cool. And there go the mirrors.
Look at that. That's snow.
That's snow you got, yeah. Uh-oh.
What?
Usually you can make it right over that.
Maybe I need more.
You got too much snow in your...
What?
Too much snow.
Probably I put a little bit more flour at the beginning.
Nope.
I'm about to run over here right now. Hey, he bumped my butt there. Look out, he's on my front tire. It's like Bigfoot.
Yeah, that's a ton of snow. Making snowballs out of these snowmen. Yeah.
My tires.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Should have put on my hoodie once I went under that.
Yeah, you probably should put it on anyway. My ears are getting cold. So
What?
yours have to be too. There you go. Here.
What?
Goes like this. Hold this one here.
What?
Hold this here. Like this. And then this goes like that. Alright.
I don't want it like that.
Well,
Look at this, I'm off-roading.
crash into a tree.
There it falls down. The falls all over.
Yep. Sure are.
Once the front door, they'll need to get some steam.
Well, that's the spores that you're seeing. Things that look like dust, those are the spores. Oh. Nope. Made it.
How you go?
Only about as high as yours. There you go. See, that's what it's made to do.
No. I don't want to hurt you, but help me. Go forward, forward. Thank you, Dad.
Now who's gonna help me? There. There you go.
I mean, my approach is this. have to get some nice fresh water to clean that.
Yeah,
To
I'll
clean
have
my tires.
Go over to the stream, clean it off.
Are you gonna wait for the water?
Yep.
Okay.
Go. Bonk. That was cool. Hey. Falling myself. Yeah, there's slush all over this. It's all slush on this. You can see the tracks. You can see the tracks my truck made. Come here. You can see the tracks my truck made. Okay. It's all slush. Yeah.
That's a slush. Oh wow, that's a slush, Daddy.
Yeah, it's all melted ice. Snow.
Try to go cut the line, though, Daddy. Did you see how mine dropped down there and did a wheelie?
Yeah, that was funny.
What?
No, I was working on it and I put it back down and it was, or I let go of it and it was just standing there. So, no, put it back up like that. I can go forward.
I can do that.
Yeah, your wheels come up off the ground.
What's this?
Ow! Oh, Klaus.
Taped it.
Yeah. Ow, I almost took on my ankle there. I know it still works, but I figured you would have just driven down it like you usually do, not to try to jump it. So I think you're gonna make those sticks. Oh, nope.
Nope.
You got it pretty far though.
Let me put it on the back.
Okay.
You have to turn back or forth.
You only have to do that if it's about to fall. Should be able to just keep it straight. See like that. You gotta turn it. You're falling.
Saved it.
Yep.